Hey everyone, welcome back to our episode. We go to the place for all things streetwear and design. Today we are diving into something super exciting, creating your very own streetwear t-shirt design using Canva. So, whether you are a beginner or a pro, this tutorial will help you bring your unique styles to life. So, so let's get started, okay? First thing up, if you don't have the already, head over to the canva.com, sign up for a free account. Okay, so Canva is an amazing tools with a ton of features that make designing easy and fun. Okay, so all right, once you are logged in, now click on the create design and use also the custom size. For example, I can easily use it over with the custom size over here, or use here the using the custom size for tutorials. For t-shirts, I have or I recommended a canvas sizes like for 44500 and by or I can just say 5400. Okay, so fixed. So this side is perfect for print quality. Now let's click over the create the new design background, and here we have now this one. So now let's start with the background. Okay, so streetwear design often have like bold and eye-catching backgrounds. You can choose a solid colors like here by the elements, or you can just click over into the here gradient colors, or even upload it or upload your own background image. So for this tutorial, I will go with the cool black colors with this one. Now that we have now this one, okay. So next up, let's add some elements. You can find in the elements over here. The first one is let's use the. I can just use the romance stater this one, and then just hit on the OK. Here we have now this one. You can just use it to find out the graphics. You can easily choose from there the which graphics you gonna want to use for your tutorials. For example, let's use a simple one. I can just say, or I can use this one. Now that we have now this one, you can change here this one. I can just easily make it a little bigger, and here we have the different colors, and you can use the different colors if you want to use or whatever you desire. Okay, let me use with a different one, or I can just easily use for the perfect one. So for example, I want to use the previous one. So here we have now the font, that one. Okay, so now that we have now this picture, now add some or another elements over here, and I want to use the elements like just I can use the feature sticks over here, this one. So now that we are using this one, that the graphics over here, and use the simple one. Let me select from here, and I can just easily use it. Or do you have the recent year? You can easily use from there. So I'm looking for the simple one, and now that we have added this one also. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I want to change also these colors. Go to here, and now that we have these colors, then I want to right click and send it to the back. Okay, layer, and I send it to the back. Now that we have now these pictures over here. Okay, you can easily resize it by using this one or whatever you desire. Like here, we can easily use it over this one. Okay, now let's add some elements over here. For example, let's use the roses or this one, for example. And what I'm gonna do, I want to use also these roses over here. Now that we have now this one, then I want to copy or duplicate it with the hold alter, and it can be give you the duplicate one or again over there. Now that we have now this one also. Okay, now let's add the text over here. Okay, so by clicking going to the text, and you can have the different text styles, so whatever you deserve. For example, I can easily use it with this one, or you can easily make it the difference one, uh, whatever you deserve. Or what I'm gonna do, I want to increase a little bit over here, or here I can just easily use it and make it to the here. Okay, so whatever you deserve, or change the colors if I want to use with the appealing colors, so it can be more highlighted over here. So what I'm gonna do, I will use the different colors over here. Okay, so here we have now this one. Then again I want to use the another or the difference, like here the one. So what I'm gonna do, let's select the another font styles over here. What can I do? Or we use the simple one over here, and I want to use or edit it over here. Okay, so here, what I'm gonna do, double click over here, and I can just do, I can just use here the fake happiness of here. The I will just want to use it, this one, and let me change here the different colors with this one and make it here the these colors. Okay, so click over here again and change here the another colors over here. So now that we have using these colors, then let me decrease the font points over here. If I say the 150, then hit on the OK. So now that we have used this one, the same thing I want to use a duplicate it, hold the Alt key, and now it's come up like this. What I'm gonna do, I will use it, make it the effect, like I want to use the another one, like here it can be more using this one. So now that we have added this one over here, or you can easily rotate it if you want to use the different one like this one. Okay, so now that we have added here, then let's add here the another graphics. So I want to use the another rectangle or the shapes over here, open it. Or now that we have now these rectangles over here, and what I'm gonna do, I want to use to the here with these colors, and I want to use also, and here I want to change these colors of here. Or what I'm gonna do, I want to move it to the here and here. Okay, then click over here, and let me do it again. And also you can use the positions of here. And before that, what I'm gonna do, I want to click over here again, I want to change the color of here. So for example, we can easily use it these colors. Then I want to use over here. Okay, so now that we have now you use this one, I want to take it to the font with the layer, bring to the font. And now that we have now this one into the font, now I want to add here the another elements with like the lips of here. We can easily use it, the lips. So now that we have these lips over here, now I can easily use our with these colors and whatever you deserve. Okay, so now here we have, you can easily make it, or I want to duplicate it with the Alt key, and now here we have now this one, or you can easily rotate it if you want to use with the different ones, or you can easily flip it like horizontal. And now that we have now this one. Okay, so now that we have the little video here, and we are making the street or t-shirt design, you can easily make it. If you want to the another elements, you can easily click over the elements and just type here whatever you want. Like here, if I say the necklace or something, they are here, the necklace. So I want to, or you can keep it up over here. So whatever you want to use. For example, I want to use the as a graphic. Let's use the simple one. I can easily use it over here. What I'm gonna do, I can easily work over here or like here. I want to send it to the back. So let me use it, this one, and go to the positions. And here, I can just easily use it. Let me do it the here. Here we have all the here. You can easily take it to the back. What I'm gonna do, I want to take it to the back over here. So now that we have now this one and total, what I'm gonna do, I can easily use it, the transparency. I want to work with a little bit with the transparency. So let me do it again. And here I want to change also the transparency. I can easily do it here, or what I'm gonna do, I can easily take it to the here. Okay. Then I want to add the another page, the better options. So go to the here. I want to add here the t-shirt. Let me use here the right here the t-shirt. I want to use here this one as a graphics. So I want to use as the shape or whatever. Let me use as the frame. I can easily use it and mockup, or I can use as the mockup. So let me use, and I can just use it from your the simple one over here. Just click over here. I want to fit it to the here, and so let me do it. Or I can easily delete this one. Then I can easily make it to the here with the full screens. So here, and I can just do okay. So now that we have easily used the mockup, now I want to save this one or this design. Go to the here, go to the share, and this time use the download and use that transparent background. Use here the I want to use only the first pages over here. Use the PNG, then use the down done. Okay, the use the 1000 download. So here it's now downloading the our design for here. Okay, so here now it's downloading. Then after that you can easily use it into our t-shirt. So what we have designed in there. Okay, so it's need to be wait. So when you the or your design is download, so let me wait the several minutes. So now that we have downloaded this one, then I want to insert to the I want to use the here. So it's now using over here. So or I can just show you how it's come up. So it's come up like this one. What I'm gonna do, I want to work with this one. So let me use it, and I can just easily use it to the t-shirts over here. And total gonna do takes to the time you are using or here. Now that we have used the t-shirt or this one on into the here. Okay, so this way, this is the easier you can easily use, and the that's almost there. And take a step back in and review your design and make any final adjustment to ensure everything looks perfect. And once you are happy with it, click on the you can easily download it your design, and you can also save it the design by using the download, and you can have this one. Okay, and also, and there you have it. You have just created your own street or t-shirt design using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, be with us and also uh, share your design with us. social media using a splash my streetwear design. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next time.